Today in this video we will talk about retargeting, okay, and how this can change your business entirely. Okay, still today, even after the iOS update has happened, iOS 14 update has happened, still you'll be able to take advantage of it, because there are still 60 to 70% of the population you can retarget. Okay, so what is retargeting? So basically what happens is you will drive traffic to your opt-in page, right? You will drive traffic to your opt-in page. Now that could be a paid traffic or a free traffic, organic traffic. Now if you don't know what is paid traffic, organic traffic, there is one more video, the link would be given in the description. You can check it out, what is different types of traffics and how to leverage them. Okay, but now once you create this engine, you will be deriving some free traffic. By the way, if you know the Fast Track Business Launcher, the FBL cash machine, if you have already inside that, then you would know that I have given there a free technique that you can use it and get leads, qualified leads for your business, absolutely free. And that particular system helped me getting 189 free leads in just 27 days. Now if you haven't yet taken advantage of FBL cash machine, please go ahead, click the link below somewhere, or go to my profile. There you will find the bio link over there. You can check it out, and that will ask you for your email. Just register and take the advantage, the training, okay, and just implement it. Okay, and then everything actually we are creating from the scratch inside that. Okay, so once you get traffic to your opt-in page, most of the people, what they do, and what is the industry average of opt-in rates? Do you know that? %30 opt-in rate is kind of awesome. It's kind of good. If you are getting, let's say for example, if 100 people are coming to your website, coming to your opt-in page, and let's say 30 people give you their email address, in this industry 30% opt-in rate is really good. It's very good. Okay, because these are just leads. They didn't even bought it. Okay, they're just leads. Now what happens to the rest of the 70% of the people? 70%. %70 people is gone. Boom. Right? And you are paying for them, or you are actually working for it. See, there are two ways you can get traffic. One is you can pay, you can use paid ads, right? Either Facebook or Google, or there are a lot of different ways of paid advertisement. Okay. By the way, if you want to learn about more how to get more traffic, let me know. I will be creating a dedicated course just to identify how to get more traffic. That would be very intensive training, and that will be very high priced as well. Okay, so if you are interested to learn about that as well, just let me know in this comment, and within a couple of months, or I will just update you when it comes. Okay, so 70% of the traffic is gone. They will never be able to see you. They will never be able to see your products, what you have to offer. Because see, when somebody comes to your opt-in page, okay, the only who are very interested, they will give their email address. If your headline is compelling, if your lead magnet, if you're giving some lead magnet, if that is compelling, only then they will give their email address. And sometimes even that is compelling, they will not give email address, because they just don't want to, they just didn't like it. Maybe there is a different angle you need to bring into your advertising or into your post or something else, so that they will like it and they want to go inside it. Okay, there are different ways, but at the very first instance, if somebody sees my opt-in page, they will just share their emails, then that is not going to happen. Okay, so in this case, when you are getting, let's say, industry average, the top, if it is very good, you'll get 30%. If that is happening, what about that 70% people? They are also interested people, right? Just because you are not able to reach them second time, you are losing them. So my friend, retargeting is about reaching to those 70% people. Okay, reaching to those 70% people. Okay, and retargeting ads are one fourth of the actual cost. So for example, if you are creating an ad on Facebook or Google, okay, to get the customer for the first time to your website, when you start retargeting them, you are no longer paying same cost. You are actually, your cost of retargeting to the same customer is coming down to 1/4. This is very cheap, very cheap. Did you know that? Yeah. If you know that, why you are not implementing it? It's working. Okay. And my friend, if you want me to create a retargeting, especially dedicated video, dedicated series on retargeting, let me know. That is also I'll be going to create. Okay, if you're interested. So this is the power of retargeting. So what happens? Have you ever noticed when you are you are just watching some feed on your Facebook mobile like this, and something happens, some ad pops up, and you just clicked it. Okay, once you saw the page and you just left it, and you will see wherever you go, right, in the web, maybe Google or some other website, or maybe you open some app, something, you'll find the same guy is coming everywhere. How? That is how retargeting works. That is where the retargeting stuff is in place everywhere. Okay. So what happens? This 70% people. Right now, if you follow the standards, okay, you are not doing any retargeting, this 70% of the customer is gone. Okay. But if you follow the standard, this 70% customer will go and sit on a cloud. Okay. And how do you follow the standards? Well, that is called pixels. If you remember the previous videos, you know that I have created a PX, and this bridge page is actually created to understand the customer's journey. Okay, that's why we create pixels. We put pixels over here. Okay, now this is, if you say multiple pixels, there are a lot of different pixels we can create, and this is very advanced stuff. And I will come up with another video to give you the details about advanced pixels things. Okay, what are the different level of pixels are there in Facebook and as well as in Google. There is LinkedIn is also there, but I'm currently working on it. So if I get something really incredible, I'll come up with that as well. Also, you can use pixels on Snapchat, everywhere. Okay, so that you can actually follow people wherever they go. This is incredible. So this pixel, what happens is it's a snippet of code that if you go to Google AdWord, okay, you'll find a piece of code for your pixel. Okay, you just put the pixel over here, and what happens is this 70% people, they have visited your opt-in page, right? They have visited your opt-in page, but they didn't give their email address to you. So this 70% people will go and sit on a cloud on the web. That is called audience. Okay, that is called custom audience. It is not visible, it's on cloud. Okay. %30 gave you email address that went to your database. Now 70% will go and sit on the web. Now to these people, you can actually create retargeting ads in Google, in YouTube, in Facebook, and if you want to go to Snapchat, you can do that as well. You can create on LinkedIn as well. Retargeting ads, and these are very cheap, especially because you're not paying Google or Facebook to go to the get you fresh customers. They're already interested on your product. They have already clicked on your website. They have already seen it. They are already pre-existing customers. I mean, not customers, but yeah, they're somehow little warm. They know you somehow. Okay, that is already there. That's why they don't charge you more to retarget to these people. Okay, and right now it's a good time. If you are not spending money on ads, you must in retargeting ads at least. If you don't want to, so you can do one thing. You can use organic tactic that I am teaching inside FBL Cash Machine. You can use that. You can get a lot of, see, that time 189 leads I got, right? But 189 people didn't actually click on my opt-in page. It could be more than that, right? 300, 400, 500. And that time I didn't know about this retargeting. See, I made a big blunder. But now, I know it, right? So make sure you use retargeting ads right now. If you implement FBL, you can actually do this. You can actually get free customers, okay? And after that, whoever didn't opt in, you can retarget them. That also works. So that is what retargeting is. And what happens in the next pixel? How do you do this? The next step. But you need to understand different ways of retargeting. Now, this guy who has already came inside, okay, and he has seen your sales page, okay, assume this 30%, they gave you their email addresses. Now they went inside and they saw your sales page, your bridge page, where you are talking about your product, right? Your mass attraction product that you have created inside. Let me just and if my terms are alien to you, go down. There is a video series that you need to watch before you are watching this video. Okay, so what you are doing here is you are actually talking about the mass attraction product. This product here, you are talking about this product in this page. Okay, now this 30% people, they actually went to this page, but did they actually went here? Here. So that's why here also you need to have a pixel. Okay, now what happens? I'm telling you the next level, the advanced stuff. So these people, okay, this 70% who didn't opt in, you are creating different retargeting ads, okay, in Facebook and let's say in Google or any one medium. Just take an example of Facebook. Let's create retargeting ad only on Facebook, okay. So this 70% is covered. Now this 30% who are watching your sales presentation of your mass attraction, I would assume 90% would go and watch, or maybe 100%, because our objective is to give it for free, right? But somehow, if they are not coming here, you can actually run another retargeting ads to these people to go and check what is inside. How beautiful it is. Now you are actually tracking the customer journey, okay? Where your customer is. You're tracking their journey, and based on their customer journey, you're enhancing your product delivery experience. You're enhancing the product delivery experience because now you are just not again promoting them to the opt-in page. You're not sending the traffic, that 30% who have already opted in. You are not, it doesn't make any sense, right? If they have already given their email address, why in the earth you have to promote them again your opt-in page? Doesn't make any sense, right? And if somebody has already went inside your mass attraction product, then there is no point in promoting them this page. Does this make sense? Yeah. So that is why that is what retargeting is, and that is why you need to set up retargeting pixels on your websites. And that is how And this is the power of retargeting, okay? Because it will help you customize your first of all your ads, and the most importantly, it will enhance your customer journey, okay? It will enhance your customer experience. You are showing them things. See, let me try to tell you one thing. When you are selling something, try to see in this aspect whether it is helpful to you or it is actually helping to the end user. Because I have seen many people, when it comes to selling, they get scared. You don't have to be, because you need to just make a transformational shift in your mind. Is because that what you are selling is actually, it's not for you, it's for them. Even if you are selling, let's assume that I'm assuming you are a top seller, or I'm assuming you are an established affiliate marketer, or you have running a business, okay? Let me ask you, even if you have not done this, just assume that you are a salesman and you have been selling from last 5 years. Let's assume you sold this pen, okay, this marker. Now, when you are an affiliate of this, you will make, let's say 50%, let's say $5 you will make one time. But that guy who bought it from you will be using it for lifetime. Maybe not, if not lifetime, at least 1 year, or maybe 6 months. So whom it is helping? You or them whom you are selling? See, and if you are making $5 out of by selling this one, that $5, is it remaining for next 6 months with you? No, it's gone, right? Within a day, or within a week, or within a month, it's gone. But the pen that you sold, it's not gone. Your prospect or your customer is still using it. So whom it is helpful? When you are selling something, whom you are helping? It's not you, it's them to whom you are selling. So keep that perspective in your mind all the time, because that is when you understand retargeting, you're actually helping your prospects to understand what you have to offer to them, okay, and in what journey they are in. You are enhancing their experience. You are not resending them the same old stuff. You are actually understanding them, their behaviors, whether they have to watch this, they haven't watched this. Based on them, that you are actually sending them something that will help them take a better decision for their life, to enhance their life, right? This is the retargeting stuff. This is what retargeting is. This is why you must utilize retargeting, because you are enhancing your customer experience when you are using retargeting. And these are retargeting pixels. And in next videos, I will talk about this, because this will take care of the rest of the audience as well, who are using iPhones, who have updated iOS 4, and it is compatible with iOS 14 as well. There are other tactics as well that I will come up with, but this blue button, guys, this is amazing. You'll love it, okay? And a BL cash machine, I will tell you, if you haven't yet checked it, go ahead and do that, because there I'm telling you exactly how to create a business and launch it within 14 days or less. This is extensive program. Not only that, you will also able to create this entire engine where sales happens as a byproduct of your value given, as well as you'll be able to get clients, get free leads within a month, okay? Unlimited leads. You can implement this strategy every single day, and you will get unlimited leads for your life, okay? That is that powerful. And if you're watching this video in Facebook, please go ahead and like our page, because that way you will be updated with all the latest videos. And also I've come up with some great strategies. I'm planning to take some interviews of some incredible marketers in our industry that will help you achieve more success. That also you'll get it. Plus, and if you are watching in YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe our channel, because sometimes you might not get notified in YouTube, but so in Facebook, but you might get notification on YouTube. You never know. And yeah, please go ahead and do that. And if you like the video, please go ahead and give a thumbs up, because this helps us. This gives us happiness because we get some likes, right? So yeah, and stay tuned, okay? And make sure stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye. See you.